Are you planning a trip to Istanbul? Then you have come to the right place. We're Jess and Miles, and we have spent the past couple of years here trying to help others fall in love with this city just like we have. In today's video, we're going to tell you about our top 5 favorite sunset spots in Istanbul. The sunsets here are absolutely beautiful, and when you visit, you should definitely make a point to enjoy the sunset each day.
There are so many options throughout the city, and after experiencing many beautiful sunsets over the past couple of years, we have settled on our top 5 favorite locations, plus maybe a bonus one or two. And tonight we actually plan to go to our number 1 spot for sunset, so be sure to stick around till the end because it should be a good one.
Okay, let's jump right in with number 5, which is Ortaköy Mosque. This is one of our favorite mosques in all of Istanbul. It sits right on the banks of the Bosphorus on the European side of the city. The views are amazing from here, and the mosque is beautiful both inside and out. Most of the pictures you see of Ortakoy Mosque are from the outside, but the inside is absolutely stunning and almost always very quiet. So if you do make it out this way, be sure you take the time to go inside as well. There are all these chandeliers and large windows, and during golden hour, it lights up and it is just beautiful.
You have a great view of the mosque just to the south. Most of the pictures you see of Ortaköy Mosque are from this spot here. It is a really iconic view with the first Bosphorus bridge right in the background. And from here, you won't actually be facing the sunset, but it will light up the entire side of the mosque. As an alternative, you can go to the other side of the mosque where you can face back in the direction of sunset.
Bonus tip, if you are an early riser like us, this is actually one of our favorite spots for sunrise. To be honest, we enjoy it more at sunrise than sunset just because it is so quiet in the early morning, but we recognize that not everybody wants to get up for sunrise on their vacation, which is why we included it here as sunset spot number 5. Real quick, if you're looking for help planning your trip, we have built a comprehensive digital guide that includes anything and everything you need all in one place. We have an entire guide dedicated just to Istanbul, and if you're going to other locations throughout Turkey like Cappadocia and the coast, we have a full Turkey guide as well. Our guides have already helped hundreds of people plan the perfect trip here, and if you want to learn more, we will link both of these in the description below. Okay, back to the video.
And moving right along, number 4 is the Moda Peninsula in Kadıköy. This is the area of the city where we live, so it is definitely where we have seen the most sunsets. There are several waterfront parks around the peninsula, and you can really watch sunset like a local out here. Every night, hundreds of people gather in the parks, so it is a really fun and lively atmosphere.
You have a great view across the water back towards the old city. You can see both Hagia Sophia and the Blue Mosque, and there is always room on the rocks to grab a seat and enjoy the sunset. So bring a blanket and grab some snacks if you want to enjoy a truly local sunset experience.
And as an added bonus, if you make it out this way, you can say hi to our favorite dog in Istanbul. We have named her Betty, and she really likes belly rubs.
Number 3 is the waterfront behind Maiden's Tower. Just north of Kadıköy is the Üsküdar district, and there is a waterfront area here just behind Maiden's Tower that is perfect for sunset. If you don't already know, Maiden's Tower is one of the historic landmarks in Istanbul. It has served many different purposes throughout the centuries, and it is now a museum.
It sits on a small island in the Bosphorus, and it can be really fun to take the very short boat ride out to Maiden's Tower, but we think the best sunset view is actually just behind it on the waterfront in Üsküdar. From here, you will have Maiden's Tower in the foreground, and you can see directly across the Bosphorus to the European side of the city, with the Blue Mosque, Hagia Sophia, and Galata Tower all in perfect view in the background.
This is one of the more out-of-the-way spots on our list, especially for visitors who are staying on the European side, but it really is worth the effort. This is honestly one of my favorite views in the whole city. And we'll throw in a bonus honorable mention before we move on, and that is Çamlıca Hill. This is also located in the Üsküdar district. It's honestly even further out of the way, but if you have some extra time, Çamlıca Hill is the highest hill in all of Istanbul, and it offers some pretty amazing views of the entire city.
All right, moving back over to the European side, number 2 on our list is watching sunset from the Galata Neighborhood. This is one of the best areas of the city to watch sunset, and you have some options over here, so this one's going to be kind of a 3-parter. The most obvious option is watching sunset from the top of Galata Tower. The tower sits up on the hill, so you have some amazing 360-degree views of the city. Purely from a view standpoint here in Istanbul, the top of Galata Tower is really hard to beat.
We will say, we have been on top of Galata Tower before at sunset, and it gets very crowded during this time. The views are beautiful, but it isn't necessarily the most relaxing sunset experience when you're crammed in with 100 other people. And also you should know, as of right now in April, Galata Tower is currently closed to visitors. It is expected to open again soon, but there isn't an exact date set for the reopening just yet. We will link the official site for Galata Tower in the description below, so if your trip is coming up soon, you can check the status.
As an alternative to going up to the top of Galata Tower, there are some great rooftop terraces in this area where you can enjoy sunset with a glass of wine or a beer. The views are similar to the ones you'll have in the tower, and as an added bonus, you'll actually have Galata Tower in your view. There are several rooftop options in this area, and we have always liked Bar Nathan for a drink at sunset. We honestly can't speak for the food because we've never actually eaten up there, but the views are really hard to beat. Regardless of whether you actually go up into Galata Tower or just one of the rooftop bars nearby, you are sure to find some amazing views of the city.
For a more casual sunset experience, we have another bonus spot for you before we get to number 1 on our list. This is actually where we enjoyed our very first sunset in Istanbul on our first trip here. There is a boardwalk along the banks of the Golden Horn on the northern peninsula, and you can find a seat, maybe buy some chai, and watch the boats go by as the sun sets over the old city.
Being down by the waterfront, this is definitely a different vantage point than being up in the Galata neighborhood, but it still gives you an amazing view of the southern peninsula, and if you're lucky, you might even spot some dolphins in the Golden Horn.
Okay, that brings us to our number 1 favorite way to enjoy sunset here in Istanbul, and like we said, we want to actually show you this one rather than just tell you about it, so let's get going.
We have come to the waterfront in Karaköy to meet a group for a sunset Bosphorus cruise, because in our opinion, the number 1 way to enjoy sunset here in Istanbul is out on the water.
There are a lot of different options for a Bosphorus cruise. This one takes around 2 hours, so it's perfect to fit into a busy schedule. You make your way up along the European side of the city and then back down the Asian side. It really is a great way to relax after a long day of exploring, and you get to see so much of the city that would otherwise be impossible to fit in on a short visit. Plus, you really cannot beat the views from out here on the Bosphorus. This boat cruise is a highly rated Airbnb experience here in Istanbul. If you're interested, we will be sure to link it in the description. And we have actually partnered with them to offer a special 15% discount inside our guide. So if you are 2 people, the 15% discount will nearly cover the cost of the Istanbul guide. I know we're biased and all, but it really feels like a no-brainer to me. In all seriousness, whether you do this cruise or not, you should definitely make a point to get out on the Bosphorus during your time in Istanbul. We have had family come to visit on several different occasions, and we have always taken them out on one of these smaller boats for sunset. Like we said, it truly is the best way to enjoy sunset here in Istanbul.